Anthony. Hello people, hello internet. We have Anthony here after a long hiatus from camera. Yes, we are here. Real quickly, we just want to show the peeps all the parts that we bought for this PC gaming build. Go ahead and show people.
So first we have the Core i5.
Yep, Core i5.
So there's the 8000 and the 8400.
Yeah,
7400. 7400.
Yes. So we got the Core i5. Anthony wanted the i7, but I didn't think he needs it. And here is our RAM. Okay. This here is just a hard drive. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive. We can always upgrade that if we need to, but for now I think 1 terabyte is enough, right? That's how big your PS4 is.
Yeah.
This is what costs the most right here. The video card. It's a GeForce GTX 1060 6 gigabyte, Anthony. This is gonna be what make your game PC powerful. And here is a fan. Check out this cool looking fan. I can't wait to put this together, but this is a very big fan. Okay. This looks so cool from the video. Last but not least, we're still missing 2 parts. This is the motherboard. This came in today. That's why we can at least start with this project. We are missing the case and the power core.
Hello.
Quick update. Here's Anthony, my helper. Look at what we did so far. Okay, everything looked decent, right? But we ran into a snag. Was it difficult, Anthony?
No,
so far?
it wasn't that hard.
Yeah, we spent more time wasting with one problem, right? Than anything else. As far as putting the pieces in, plug things in, that was not hard at all. The steps to follow we did, but we run into some wiring problem that took a lot of time, and we couldn't figure it out. And then finally, we learned that it is the manufacturer problem. This case was produced faulty with the wrong wiring, right?
Yes.
And the sad thing is, we bought every part through Amazon, which we could have returned if it was faulty, but the case we did not. We bought the case with Newegg. So my warning for anyone that buys something from Newegg, if something is wrong, you have to go to the manufacturer. Newegg is not going to let you return it and send you a new one. So that was a pain in the buttocks. And here is a part, Anthony. It came in today. That's why I'm shooting the video. Look at this. Okay, so here is the front panel with all the correct wiring that I need to replace this. Okay, so I need to unscrew the case here and then replace the bottom part, undo all the wiring, paint the butt. Okay, so I removed the front panel, as you can see, to get to, well, the front cover. This is the front cover. Fairly easy, just pop it out. After I emailed technical support because I couldn't figure out how to pop it out, but they quickly replied with the instruction on how to pop it out. So now that it's out, I need to, there's 4 screws that I need to undo to remove this faulty panel, and then replace it with this one that they sent me this way. There you go. Okay, so let's get to work. Okay, that was fairly easy because there's basically 2 screws, one here and one there, and the panel drop down, and as you can see, all the wiring. Now I need to pull out all the wire because I already connected the wire to, you know, the motherboard and power and hard drive and video card. I gotta undo all of those in order to pull this out and then put the new one in and redo all the wiring again. So okay, let's get going. Okay, so this is the bad part, this is the new part, and let me show you what was the problem. Right here, there was no power switch connector. Okay, it was missing a power. There's all the writing on that. Can't really see it, but as you can see, there's a reset. That's the hard drive, and then there's a couple of, we have 2 reset switch. Okay, so the new one has the reset, and that's it, that power switch right there. Okay, that's the connector that was missing. Now I have the right part, so let's see if we can hook it up and see how things will work. Look, people, it's booting up. Yes, it is. Wow, word can't describe how happy I am to see this. It took a long time to get to this point. I ran into all kind of connecting issues, and it was wrestling with every component. I actually took everything apart and reconnect everything again. And finally, the last problem was the video card not connect tightly. That's why I had a blank screen. I had a blank screen for a while, and I must have went online and did all kind of research on troubleshooting the blank screen, and I basically had to undo everything, reconnect everything, even reboot the CMOS, and finally it was this thing. And now it's booting up, and actually I just it's installing Windows 10. I just went through buying a Windows 10 key, and then now it is installing and rebooting the system. So we are getting there, slowly but surely. Yes, yes. Okay, Anthony, go ahead. Keep on doing it. So what's the lesson we learned, Anthony?
Never give up.
Exactly. Right now we are loading Windows 10 still. So once this is done, loading and installed correctly, I would then unhook the monitor and the keyboard, and then basically screw back the the motherboard back into the case and close up everything. Okay, so that's and hopefully everything will still work after we finish that part. But hey, ooh, let's connect to your network. Okay, not a problem for now. Let's pause right now because we need to connect to the internet to download the driver and many other things, as well as, you know, that's okay. At least we are one step closer. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.